MARPOL Annex 5 is the prohibition of the discharge of all garbage into the sea. This includes not only solid waste but also operational waste such as food waste, cargo residue, and other types of refuse generated during ship operations. So the annex specifies category of waste detailing the restrictions applicable based on the type of garbage and the designated distance from land. So the annex divides garbage into various categories such as plastic, food waste, domestic waste, cargo residue, and incinerator ashes. Plastic are particularly highlighted due to their devastating environmental impacts. Ships are prohibited from discharging plastic under any circumstance. Similarly, food waste can be disposed of when the ship is at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, and certain conditions must be met to ensure the waste doesn't cause harm to the maritime environment. And also the ship owners and operators face challenges in complying with MARPOL Annex 5. Investing in technology and training are required, so the ships are now equipped with waste management system that segregate, compact, and store waste until it can be offloaded at port facilities.